Hi, we're with Dennis White. We just got done closing on one property. We've actually bought 2 properties from Mr. White here in the last 2 months. So he's actually a return client. So we're going to go through a little bit. We have a couple quick questions. Mr. White, why did you decide to sell your property as is?
Well, I think the main thing is I wanted to get rid of all of my hassles. So I'm simplifying my life, getting out of the landlord business. And once I felt like I got a fair offer, I decided it would be much simpler rather than having all the work done myself and closing costs, the sales commission, all that. I said, I'll just sell it as is if I can get a fair price. Having met you, Scott, the first time, and it was hassle-free, just like you advertised. I looked at some of the online comments from other people, and they commented how good the organization was that you work with, and I felt like after calling a half a dozen as-is people, you were the first one I called for the second house, and it was a fair offer on both houses, but certainly the best organization I could hope for as far as working with. Simple, clean, no hassle. It was great.
And how satisfied were you or have you been with the sales process?
Excellent. I mean, the sales process has been very smooth, not that much paperwork, especially since we sold 2 houses to your organization. They had a lot of the paperwork with the title company first time around, so it was really quick, very simple. And any questions I had, both you, Scott, Chris, and also the title company were all excellent at answering any questions I had. But great experience. Definitely, anybody that's listening to this testimonial, I would definitely put my name up there to say you can call me, and I would definitely recommend you guys.
All right. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good trip.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.